Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have another subscription box service. This is the Rookie Card Explosion Box, the high-end version by Filmington. I believe that the fella that makes these is in the Facebook group that I joined not too long ago, a couple weeks ago. And I've watched several videos in the past of people opening these, and I've liked a few things about this that's different than some of the other subscription services. For one, he puts older packs in here, not just the current year or the previous year products. He'll go back 8, 10, 12 years and put packs where you can get rookies of, nowadays be seasoned veterans that are probably nearing Hall of Fame status or stuff, so you can add those to your collection. The pack lineup for this particular box was very good, so I went ahead and made the purchase. So this is the first one I've ever bought, and we'll take a look at. I cut it open already, save a little bit of time. But this is the high-end version 17. So the packs inside are 2012 Bowman Chrome, so that's what I was talking about. 2018 Topps Update, 2022 Bowman Chrome, 22 Bowman Draft Sapphire, which is nice, which is one of the reasons why I bought this one. I want to be the first time I get to buy these or open these, and 2023 Bowman Jumbo. So, another good thing with this box is I believe the shipping is free, so all I had to do was pay for the packs and the tax, sales tax. All right, all the peanuts back in here for now. We'll save the list, see if we can pull any of the rookies. So we'll just go in order of the way they were packaged. So 2012 Bowman Chrome, we're looking for Bryce Harper and Castellanos. I really don't care about Castellanos, so basically for me it's just Bryce Harper. 4 cards, so the odds are not very good, but there's always a chance. They'll open easier at the bottom, they do. All right, so we have Ike Davis. That looks like a refractor. Actually, I guess they're all kind of... yeah, that is a refractor. Danny Winkler. So that's the first Bowman. Gabriel Lind. That's also a first Bowman. And then Zach Greinke. So nothing to write home about with that pack. All right, 2018 Topps Update. We're looking for Ohtani, Soto, Acuna, Gleyber Torres. All right, McCutchen, Batista rookie, Hellickson, Trevor Cahill, Tyson Ross, and Aaron Judge. I guess all-star card, or put that. The future's bright. Juan Lagares. These are all going to be Candelario and Zach Britton. So didn't hit any of the ones we were looking for in that pack. All right, 2022 Bowman Chrome, Jackson Chourio, House, Rafaela, Mercedes, Vicario, Arias, Gutierrez. There's a lot. There's a lot we're looking for. Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez rookies. There's a Spencer Torkelson. It's got some pack dust. So Bryson Stott, rookie. It came to the league, Arteaga, so that's an insert. Yordani de los Santos, is he one of the ones we're looking for? It's not on here, but it's a first, and he looks quite young, so 2005, yeah, we'll put him in a good pile. And Oscar Colas, I think he was on this list, wasn't he? Yes, so he's also one of the ones we're looking for. What did I do? Here they are. Sorry. Speed those up real quick. I'll sleeve up the Torkelson. All right. Next, one of the ones I've been looking forward to opening, the 2022 Bowman Draft Sapphire. The card I want is the Jackson Holiday because I'm an Orioles fan, so I wouldn't be upset with Elijah Green either. All right, we have a first of Robbie Snelling. Actually, I forgot to see. No thick card, so it's a base pack. Anthony Volpe. It's not a first, but I'll still sleeve that one. Marcelo Mayer, that's another. And Gavin Cross. That is one of the ones we were looking for. So no color, but a couple of good prospects. Guess I'll just go ahead. I'll sleeve this up. It is Sapphire, so 2003. He's only 20. All right, and then the last pack is the 2023 Bowman Jumbo. Everybody knows what we're looking for. Oh, I don't see any thick cards, so no auto. Abrams, Abreu, Jones, Casas, Senga, Gonzalez, Vaughn, Grissom, Ohapi, Outman, Aranda, J-Rod, Luciana, Sights on September, Jackson Churio, Modern Prospects, Perez, Jorge or George, Dominguez, Colson, Montgomery, Tamar Johnson, Colas, Arroyo, Martinez, Cabrera, Jacob Berry. That's one of the ones we're looking for, I believe. He's not on the list though, but I think he is. This one has some pack dust on it too. Let's leave that up. Oh, that's one I haven't gotten before, and that's definitely one we're looking for. Justin Crawford, Ortega, and then a Brooks Lee insert. So no autos, but some good prospect cards, rookies, and like I said, the pack lineup was excellent. So there was great potential for big hits. I just wasn't lucky enough for this one to pull anything super crazy, but I'm depending on next month's lineup, I may give it another shot, especially if it's got at least some Bowman Jumbo in it. I'm a sucker for Bowman Jumbo. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you don't mind hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel, it'll help us out, and drop a comment. Let me know what you thought about the pack lineup and what the biggest card was out of this break. Till next time, take care.